how to stop background apps to save battery and data on Samsung Galaxy S26 or S25. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on battery. Next, scroll down and tap on background usage limits. From here, we then tap on deep sleeping apps. Now at the top here, tap on the add button. Then scroll down the list and add in any app that you want to add. For example, Facebook usually runs on the background, can use up battery and data. So we will select Facebook, as well as any other apps that you have installed on your device. You can add it to the list and then tap on add. Okay, so here it shows user added. So we have manually added the apps to the list so that it will not run in the background. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.